this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and today we are doing a little manicure with some pieces from BRCNailsTipsXPieces.com. We've got the Ladybug. These are oversized. I don't have my notes out. Let me get them. The Ladybugs are 2 for 49 cents. She's got all kinds of colors going on. All kinds of colors. Then you've got the Dragonflies. These are the Aurora. Those are 4 for $1.59. The Dark Dragonflies are also 4 for $1.59. The Magnet, which is what I'm going to hold the Ladybugs on with, I can't remember how much they are. These are the 4mm ones, I think. I threw the paper away. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. So you see I've got some daisies hand painted. I freehand them myself. A little out of my comfort zone, but I'm trying. So I'm going to do that on this nail here. Got my palette off to the side. I've got yellow, which is by Beauty. That is number 417. The white is also by Beauty. That is Y002. The lavender as well. P351. So we're going to get the diving tool here. We're going to get in with the yellow bead. A yellow dot. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and cure these. You don't have to. Well, use your judgment. So we are going to get our brush here. We are going to go in. And remember, this is definitely out of my comfort zone. I'm not one for freehand that much. Depending on what it may be. This, I'm trying. Some of the others look way better than this one, but, you know. What can you do? These look more like bursts instead of a daisy. I don't know, I'm trying. Ooh. A little frustrating for me. They're not turning out as well as I had wanted them to. I'm going to pop those in the lamp, give them a cure. Alrighty, we are back. We are going to top coat said nails. I'm going to be using iGel Beauty's No Wipe top coat. We will give these a full 60-second cure. Check out BRCNailsTipsXPieces.com. She has got all kinds of goodies for spring. I did a video about it. I put that up so you can go back and look at that. Whoops, get you an idea of everything. Great prices. You may use my discount code to save yourself 10% off your bill. It is Shereebaby, like almost like Sherry Baby, but it's spelled S-H-E-R-E-E. Baby 10. Whoa, Nelly, I'm not liking some of these stands. I got some new stands. They're kind of in a gunmetal. I don't know if you can see this here, but it's not The magnets are really weak. Really weak. Get a little bit more polish. Yeah. We're gonna pop these in the lamp, give those a full 60-second cure. Alrighty, we are back out of the lamp, top coated and cured. Again, these are the items I am putting on, along with this ladybug here, 2 ladybugs, 2 dragonflies. I'm gonna hold them on with some rhinestone glue by Modelones and curing with my little flashlight here. So, oh, I need my battery control back. One ladybug. This one is held on by a magnet. So what I'm going to do is take me a little dollop and put it on the underbelly of said magnet. Now, whoops, shoot. This is why Brandy uses tweezers. You don't drop it then. Now just to figure out where I want it. I think I'm going to put it on the ring finger. This might be a little tricky. Hold your light on the... See if I can bring it back in frame. Hold your flashlight on the nail. Turning every so often. Do not look directly into the light. Do not look directly into the light. You really shouldn't though. You really, really should not. So this should be secured. But if I did this properly, ta-da! And then you just take it, let it hover about, put it back on. You know, when you get in the shower, do your dishes, take the ladybug off, which is really super cute. This other ladybug, I'm just going to leave on the nail itself. I'm not going to put this on a mag. I shouldn't I? I should. Let me see here. Whoops. Yeah, shoot. Brady did all her tweezers. I must do it the hard way, right? Once again, get your flashlight, hold it on, cure your product. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. Oh, this has got some pulls to it with the flashlight. Click on the notification bell. You'll get notified of all future uploads, giveaways, and anything important going on. Like, I have a weekly giveaway going on She Modern Saturdays, so check out those videos, folks. Get entered in if you haven't already. If you already have entered, it carries on over to next week, so don't worry, you're still entered. You must be subscribed to my channel. You must be 18 years of age or older. Pick a She Modern Saturday video, screenshot it, share it on Instagram, and tag me, JUST.NAILEDIT. It'd be kind of cool too if you went and followed She Modern on YouTube and Instagram as well, because she is the one sponsoring said products. And she would, you know, she'd appreciate it just as much as I would. So please go enter. Oh, I guess I should tell you what it's for, shouldn't I? Duh. It is for the black and white sticky stamping polish. I would grab it to show you, but I'm a little busy. Just a wee little busy. Can't see my glue. Oh, where's my flashlight? I have some brain fart issues right here. I got the flashlight on it, carrying it. Trying like heck not to look at the lamp. Close your eyes if you need to. On YouTube, go visit BRC Nails. Also on Instagram, she would greatly appreciate it. Always subscribe to your sponsors. And not that Brandy's sponsoring this giveaway, she's not, but when I reach 1,300, Brandy, BRC Nails Tips Xpieces.com is sponsoring she is going to be one of my sponsors for the giveaway. And She Modern is for those are both for US. I've got 2 companies also so far for the giveaway. One is Charlie's Nail Art, the other one is LLJKK. I can't remember, she's gonna kick my butt. It's a glitter company for glitter and acrylics. Great products. So I'm going to take these, I'm going to pop them into the lamp. I think these turned out really super cute. Oh, I ain't got nothing over here. Ah, left that baby out. I'm going to pop these in the lamp, give them a 60-second full cure, and we'll be right back. Alrighty, here we go. We are back out of the lamp. I had to put something here. This nail was just too naked. So we're evened out 2 ladybugs, 3 butterflies, different colors of each. I think they're stunning. I'm really loving them. Now remember, ladybugs are magnets. You can just pop them off. You can make them a spinner, which I do have those. It's too cool. Just way too cool. So, I don't know, check out Brandy's store, BRC Nails Tips Xpieces.com. Use my code Shereebaby10 at checkout, save yourself 10%. Leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think of my manicure for today. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Click all on the notification bell. Please give the video a thumbs up, I'd greatly appreciate it, it'd mean the world to me. And we are finito for today. Have yourselves a blessed day and thank you.